All-in-one kit. 6*15 ml Amazing Color Gels, 1*10 ml Base Coat, 1*10 ml Top Coat, 120 pcs Curved Dual Forms with 12 sizes, 36 pcs Straight Dual Forms with 12 sizes, 1*15 ml Slip Solution, 1* File 100*180, 1* Dual-Ended Nail Brush and Spatula, Glitters, Rhinestones, 1* Instruction Manual. Notice. Requires a nail lamp to cure, which is not contained in the kit. Easy to use. You won't struggle to try to use our Poly Nail Gel Kit. The instructions for using the extension gel are detailed and yet simple to understand. No need to worry about messiness either, as our extension Poly Nail Gel is easy to apply. Long-lasting effect tips. Modelones Poly Nail Gel will last up to 2 weeks or longer with proper nail prep, filing, buffering, and cleaning. For better adhesion, you can also apply nail dehydrator and primer, which can make the nail last much longer. What's more, you can refill your nails about every 2 weeks when the renew cuticle area grows. Remove tips. If you want to change the nail art style and remove the nail extension gel, you can file the nail extension gel down and then buffer it. A nail drill machine will save you time and help to remove the nail in a faster and cleaner manner. Customer service. Any problem, contact the seller directly. We offer to replace or refund service. Please note, please do the skin test before using to prevent the allergic reaction. And our product is brand new and sealed well. If the item you get is not new or get damaged during the transportation, please feel free to turn to us for help. Top reviews from the United States. Pretty easy to use for beginners. I've never done my nails myself outside of regular and gel polish, and this poly gel gave me the confidence to continue to do my own extensions. I think these look okay for my first time, and I'm excited to get better. This kit comes with everything necessary to get the job done, but I went and bought all the necessary things to improve the process in the future. Nail drill, additional files, gems, glue.